Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube support. Alright, so you have multiple options to contact YouTube support, and keep in mind that this video is for regular YouTube users. So if you have a YouTube channel, you are a creator, then I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to contact YouTube creator support team. So this is for people who are just regular YouTube users. Then here is your option. So by default, YouTube says that you can contact them if you have a YouTube paid product, so YouTube TV, YouTube Premium, but you can try to contact them even if you do not have any kind of YouTube subscriptions. So in this case, what you have to do is open up this page. It has a weird URL, so I will link it in the description below. And on this page, you can see that you can contact YouTube support in multiple languages, so English, German, Spanish, French, and the major languages. And you can contact them via phone, chat, and email. And if you scroll down on this page, you can see this Need More Help section. And because this account doesn't have any paid subscription, I can only post to the Hub community. But this account has a YouTube Premium subscription. So if I scroll down, you're gonna see that I can not only post to the Hub community, but I can also contact YouTube support. So make sure you have switched into a YouTube account or Google account. Make sure to switch into a Google account where you have a paid subscription. Then you're going to be able to click on the Contact Us button here. Then you can describe your issue have. Then click on Next. Then select the best description of your issue. Then click on Next. Then you will get some help articles from YouTube, but you can just click on Next Step. As you can see here, you have two options. You can live chat with YouTube support, or you can email YouTube support. Let's select email here. Then you can add your first name, last name, channel URL, and then here's where you're going to be able to describe the issue you have with YouTube. And once you added all information, you can also attach a file that helps you describe your issue. Then all you have to do is click on Submit. And then you will be able to send an email to YouTube support team, and then YouTube support will be able to email you back with their solution. So now this is how you can contact YouTube support.